of the Day Time Live. So we were reading the letter of the day in the Gleaner and wanted to speak to you guys about it. So this letter was from mortiman76@gmail.com, which speaks about access to our beaches. Now, part of the letter said, and I quote, Craigie,
one of the most mismanaged assets of the beautiful island is the beaches that abound in every parish. Not all seafront areas are suitable for sea bathing due to the miles of rocky shoreline that exist. And the best of what is left is exclusive to hotels and private ownership. The general public has very few choices of suitable beaches unless they have the money to pay for access to better developed ones.
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
So basically what he's saying, is Jamaica for Jamaicans or for tourists?
For tourists. I think that it has been skewed that way for a long time. Even when you listen to Welcome to Jamrock and you hear
Welcome to Jamrock.
Them talk about a whole heap of songs nowadays kind of, allude to these things, but there's going to come a day when them just can't stop people them from doing what they want.
Yeah,
But
I feel like even when we're talking about the water situation and other things that's happening, I feel like you're kind of pushing the people to a certain response that we have to be careful when the response comes, because I 100% feel like Jamaica is not for Jamaicans. You know what I'm saying? The people that enjoy Jamaica the most are people that don't live here. That people that's not from here, the people that get access to the best homes, the best properties to buy, the best experience in Jamaica are never the Jamaicans.
Them don't live here. Because you have a little hype set too, But, them go on like,
Yeah.
Them more than people. You have a set of people that things are more readily given to.
But I feel like we as Jamaicans need to realize that we outnumber the others. We are the majority. You know what I'm saying? Like, we have a voice, and sometimes I feel like we have no power. We feel like we have to be silenced because you have other Caribbean islands that have full access to the beach. It's free to go in the beach. But here in Jamaica, for some reason, you're now charging some beaches, I'm not calling the name, it's $1,000 to get in, it's $2,000 to get in. If I mommy, daddy, you maybe have 3 kids, that could run you like, $5,000, $8,000, $10,000 just to go to the beach, just to have a day that you'd assume is like a nice, chill, free day. That naga.
And the thing too, is a not knowing your worth too, all right. I remember back in the day, a brethren of mine wanted to open a TV station in Trinidad. And what he was told by the government was that in order to open this station, 51% has to be owned by a Trinidadian resident.
Yeah.
Now, I don't think it's difficult for a government to make stipulations stating that you can have this parcel of land to run your private beach, but this amount of area around it must be taken care of by you. It is your responsibility to take care of this parcel of land around it, and this parcel of land is now made available to locals. That's not unreasonable.
Yeah.
That's not unreasonable.
Yeah.
Because what the UDC is saying is that they need to charge these monies for entrance in order to maintain the beach, so that it is at a level where local people can enjoy it. And they are right. However, it cannot only be their responsibility. Because these hotels are making a killing. Look at that. Like, who are going to be there?
Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true, and I don't agree with that, because you know what other thing, if we're going to really get into it, let me say, what is it, 37% of what we earn goes to the government to pay for stuff, and I'm still yet to see like what exactly we're paying for. We barely have enough hospitals, we barely have enough schools, we barely have enough, and we must go pay for go to beach. I feel like as a citizen, sometimes I feel like I'm being affronted. I feel like I'm being assaulted by the foolishness, because so much money is coming into Jamaica and it's not filtering down to the areas that need it, the industries that need it, and the people that need it. So I don't feel like the people in Jamaica that wants to go to the beach, I don't feel like they should have to pay $1,000 to enjoy Jamaica's natural resources. We keep saying the land of wood and water, but we take away the water, so no, just
No, but that is, it depends on the... Me would have better me show you off again. All right, me know off again.
Me and Greg are going to beach this week. I'm going to tell you how it goes. Daytime Lab will be right back with a powerful video which features artists such as Stephen Marley and Anthony Hamilton and CeeLo. Yes, join us. Him singer, bad singer. Join us after the break.